For analyzing the data, we will start using the pandas library in the Python. So it is already installed using pip import pandas and pd, and we are directly taking the employees.csv, one csv file I have downloaded from the publicly available information. And there are many data sets will be available from there, you can pick it up. And first we'll go with the non-graphical data analysis. So in the non-graphical data analysis, first whenever we initialized pandas as pd, it will be pd.read csv. Like that you can read excel sheets or other methods also. There will be other options also, like we ignoring the indexes, ignoring the headers and all. Okay, so once we have these things, now this just for the sake of understanding what it contains, like a df.head, some it will give the 5 rows of the information, and it will showcase what are all the column names, right? Feature names, we can call it all columns. So first name, gender, start date, something like that. All these things are there. So once we have this data, we can do some shape, df.shape. So this is like pandas data frame, and it is having the 1000 rows and then 8 columns, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns are there, and 1000 rows are given. And then we can also do df.describe. So this gives the like a count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value 25%, 50%. This is quartiles, it is called quartiles, 25% quartile, and maximum value. So this gives the complete picture of the data. But as we have 8 columns, but only 2 columns are represented here, because this is giving this count, mean, and everything is applicable to the only numerical data. And in the whatever the data we have, this doesn't have the complete. See, in this, no, only the salary and bonus percent is having the numeric, and this is a date, and this is a timestamp, and this is a date, and these are all like categorical values. So it is not coming there. In order to get that, we need to go further, like df.info. Like earlier we used df.describe, here df.info. In the df.info, it will give the this all, like whatever the things, that information, what are the things, and how many objects or how many records are there with the things. And we are seeing some of the things are like we are and earlier the shape was seen like 1000 values are there, 1000 rows, and 8 columns are there, no? In that the start date, last login time, salary, bonus percent, these are having the 1000 values. And this is having some missing values like 933, 855. This some information is not kept there. Okay, so and we need to do one more thing with respect to the start date. pd is a data frame, right? That pandas data frame, it can convert to the date time as data type, so that we can use date related features very well with after converting that. And also we can see df.nUnique. Like now we are seeing this gender is male or female, like first name, like they're having 200 unique names are there, and start date, and then this start date and last line as 1000 values are there, 972 the same dates, 972 different dates are there. And bonus percentage, and team are 10 people are there, 10 teams are there, and senior management 2 are there. So this is the number of unique features you can get from this. Is one kind of analysis we can do with the like non-graphical approaches. Okay.